Hey everybody, Miss Josi here. It's so good to see you on your TV or on a phone, an iPad, wherever it is. I can't wait to dance with you. Let's have fun. Are you ready? Get out your wiggle fingers. Let's go. Up, 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 up to the sky and down, 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 down to the ground and come up. Up, 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 up to the sky and down, 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 down to the ground. Can you find a beat with your hands? With your hands, is it slow or fast? On your feet, can you find a beat with your feet? With your feet, is it slow or fast? Okay, are you ready? Let's go up again and come up, 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 up to the sky and down, 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 down to the ground again. Up, 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 up to the sky and down, 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 down. Down to the ground. Can we blow our arms? Whoosh, like we're blowing in the wind. Whoosh. And get ready to shake, 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 shake. That was so fun. Usually we do that sitting down, but that was so fun to do it standing up. Let's get ready to stamp our feet. Can we do it? Let's go. March, march those feet. Wherever you are you in your kitchen, your bedroom, your living room? You might even be outside. Let's find our hips. One hip, two hips. Shake your hips. Side to side. Again, one hip, two hips. Shake your hips. Here we go. Get ready. Put your arms to the front. Show me your fingers. Hide your fingers. Turn all around, all around. Woo! Show me your fingers. Hide your fingers. Get ready. Clap, 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 clap. And march. Let's march all around. All around the room. Maybe you're going to march around a table. Maybe you have a chair. All over. Get ready. Let's gallop. Wherever you can even go down the hallway to gallop if you need to. Gallop, gallop. Awesome, friends. Ready? Show me your fingers. Hide your fingers. Turn all around, and show me your fingers. Hide your fingers. Clap, 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 clap. One hip, two hips. Shake your hips. Side to side. Let me see you shake your hips. Side to side. Good job. What do we do next? Up high and down low. And up high and down low. Up high and shake, 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 shake. Woo! Good job, friends. Now, I wonder if we can go to the zoo. Why don't you get a friend to dance with you? Mommy, daddy, a brother or sister? Ask them, if I were an animal, what would I be? A hopping bunny. Can you put on your bunny ears? Get your bunny feet ready. Good, and let's hop. Here we go. Hop, 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 all around. Hop, hop, hop. Good. If I were an animal, what would I be? A cool koala. All right, get your climbing legs ready. Reach up, and step. Here we go. Climb, 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 I were an animal, what would I be? Stomping rhino. Oh no, a stomping rhino is gonna make some noise. Can you stomp? Make some noise. Stomp. 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 Good job. If I were an animal, what would I be? A wiggly worm. Oh, you can go on the floor and get on your belly if you would like to for your wiggly worm. Or you can stand tall and wiggle, 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 wiggle. If I were an animal, what would I be? A swimming dolphin. Lots of ways to swim with 2 arms. Or like a dolphin with your hands together. Let's swim. Oh, here I am. If I were an animal, what would I be? A wacky penguin. You know this is my favorite. Let's waddle. 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 Good, let's waddle all around. Little Evie, my little girl, she just started doing the waddle. If I were an animal, what would I be? A hopping bunny. Climb, stomp, wiggle, swim, and waddle. Oh my goodness, do you know what comes next?
Let's make a milkshake. You ready?
I think we should make a milkshake. Who wants to make a milkshake? You take a little milk, pour some milk, and you take a little cream, pour the cream. What flavor is your milkshake? Yum. Mine is going to be chocolate. Shake it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Okay, get ready.
You
Take a little milk, pour some milk, and you take a little cream, pour the cream. You stir it all up. You shake it, and you'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. All right, let's drink it.
now drink it.
That was good, friends. All right, let's do our head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Honk. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Let's march. March. Let's do it. 1 more time. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Find your head. Shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Honk. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. And turn all around. All around. Yay. Good job, friends. Oh my goodness, this is so fun to dance with you. It's not over yet. Hold on just a second. I think we should do our favorite. Are you ready? Here we go. Run. Run, 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 run. Good job. Oh, I'm running. I'm running this way. Oh, now I'm gonna run this way. And freeze. Now I'm gonna run this way. And this way. Freeze. Let's jump. Jump. baby, sing. La 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 la. Sing, baby, sing. La 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 la. Let's clap. Do an alligator clap. Like an alligator. And freeze. And a big clap. Freeze. Dance. Anywhere you want to dance, you can dance. Dance all around. And freeze. All around and freeze. All right, parents, if you're dancing with your little one, you can pick them up and swing them if you'd like to. Or you can have a dolly or a stuffy or teddy bear. Anything you'd like, you can swing. Maybe they're dancing with you today. Swing. Oh, just take a second. Miss Josie's catching her breath. Oh, we miss you all. And freeze. And swing. And swing. Swing, 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 freeze.
And then
Run all around. I'm gonna go this way. And this way. Freeze. Oh, there we go. Freeze. Run and freeze. Run. And a little faster. Woo. And faster. And faster, 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 faster. Faster, faster, faster. Whew. And you can have a seat. All right. So now in our class, it's time for our